everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a smooth slow motion shake in CapCut. So first you need to import your clip and split it to where you want the slow-mo to start. Okay, I'm going to start in here. And then after that, go to speed, curve, and click on custom. And adjust the speed until it looks like a V shape like this. Okay. You can adjust it to your liking. Then after that, click on the make it smoother and choose better quality. Click on the check icon and let the smooth slow-mo to apply. Okay, so the smooth slow-mo has been applied. Just click on a check icon and now you need to go to the video effect, go to the nightclub and select the rebound swing effect. So this one's right here. Adjust the intensity into 15. The speed into 15. Okay, so it will go like that. Click on a check icon and set it for the video that you slid before. Then after that, go to video effect again, still on the nightclub tab, and choose the play pendulum effect, so this one, and adjust the intensity into 15, twist 0 and then sharpen 0. Okay, go back and then click on a check icon, and now you can just click on the effect, go to object and click on all videos, and do this for the second effect. Okay, so now the effects, all the smooth slow-mo effect will go like this, smooth slow-mo shake effect. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.